How to connect Zapier with ChatGPT. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Zapier account, and on the left hand side panel, you will be able to find the option of apps. Just simply select it. After that, wait for it to load. And here, just simply search for ChatGPT in the search section, and ChatGPT will appear over here. Just simply click on this option of connect, and a new window will pop up. Wait for it to load, and here you will be able to find the option of create an API key. Just simply click on it. Then this will redirect you over here. Now you need to log into your ChatGPT account for it. So simply just provide your details and log into ChatGPT. Now here on this page you will be able to find the option of create new secret key. Just simply click on it. Then click on create secret key, and here you will get the secret key. Just simply copy it up. Now head back to Zapier again, click on connect, and this time when the window pops in, just paste the API key that we just created using our ChatGPT account and click on this option of yes, continue to ChatGPT. Then wait for it to load, and this way you would be able to connect your Zapier with ChatGPT. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.